Hello, this is my 1992 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado. I bought it new in late January of 1992 at Parkway Chevrolet in Tomball, Texas. Drove it regularly until 2015. My kids started driving it, and the thing just runs great. Never any significant problem with it. When I did have a problem, took it to the dealership. I've got a nice folder here of all of the work and regular maintenance that's been done on it. Always at a dealership. And pretty much just the usual stuff. The truck is, you can tell the paint is not so great. Pretty dirty underneath the hood, but everything runs good. I came across some videos on YouTube about these trucks, and I was really surprised to learn just how popular they are now. And I thought I'd start doing a little work on it here and there. For example, a few things in the interior. Need to get this bolster here repaired. Dirty interior. My dash was bad. I had a aftermarket cover I put on top. But pretty nice looking inside. I'm working on the door panel now and rehabbing it. But there's not a whole lot of videos I think I can post that would be beneficial because there's so many already out there. But if I'm doing something and I think that there may be something unique or detailed about what I'm doing, I'll make a short video about it.